Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply shipping charges zero when customer or user select specific shipping option or order delivery provider in cart page in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page, and then you see order summary, subtotal $255, delivery charges $40. So we are going to apply shipping charges zero or free shipping when customer select specific order delivery service provider in cart page. Now go to setting. So we are in setting, and then you see shipping delivery. Now select. So click on it. So we are in shipping and delivery, and then you see shipping method flat rate $40. So click on edit, and then you see rest of the world shipping flat rate standard shipping $40. So when person select standard shipping, we are going to charge $40 price, and then you see add another shipping option. Now select. So you can add order delivery service provider like DHL, Royal Mail, FedEx according to your requirement. So we added standard shipping DHL. So you can add tax according to your requirement, and then you see rate zero. So when person select this, so shipping charges will be zero, or you can add number according to your requirement and then click on save. Then you see you have saved region 3. Now go to cart page and refresh the page, and then you see order summary, subtotal delivery $40. Now drop down select. So when we select standard shipping DHL, now calculating, and then you see delivery free 255, total 255. Again select standard shipping $40. Now you see 255, delivery fee $40, total amount $295. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.